If you want to use app lock on POCO M8, you have to open the settings. Now you have to go into applications screen, open it, and here select app lock. Now you have to click to turn it on, and you have to input the password that will protect your applications, but also you are able to change this password. So as default you can find pattern, but you can use pin, or for example you can use password, this normal password. In my case I will go with a simple pattern. We have to input our password twice, then we have to click next, and right now we are able to add Xiaomi account. If we forget this password, we'll be able to reset this password, and thanks to this we'll don't lose our application data. But in my case I want to skip this step, so we have to click not now. And here you can find recommendations, so I can recommend you to unselect everything and just pick those apps that you need to lock. So now I want to lock, for example, my YouTube application. There we go. And now as you can see, you can simply go for a YouTube. And as you can see now I have to input my password. I can use the password, input it, or I can use my fingerprint. There we go. Thanks for watching this video.